Well, here's an updated video on this little water-cooled Stirling engine I recently picked up on eBay. It's not a real precision build. You can see I don't know if you can see it or not, but the main bearings are kind of sloppy. Flywheel jumps around a little bit. But if you watch the other video, you can see I changed the configuration of the main bearing supports and the flywheel, and seems to be a little more stable this way as far as the bearings are concerned. I think it looks a little bit better like this. I don't know who produced the castings for this. I'd really like to know who did, if anybody knows that. It has patent pending cast into the main engine body there. Those are the only markings on it. Really is a nice running engine, and it runs at a nice slow speed. Pleasant to watch. And even as sloppy as it is, it's quiet. Had some little water leaks, and little JB Weld took care of that. Now, hopefully at some point I can report back with some more info on this engine. Thanks for watching.